Cost efficiency of induction cooktops, a comparative study.
Hello, and welcome to this comparative study on cooking methods. Today, we are focusing on induction cooktops and comparing their cost efficiency in terms of electricity consumption to other cooking methods. We'll dissect how induction cooktops work, how they compare to traditional electric and gas stoves, and finally, whether they're worth the investment in terms of energy efficiency.
How do induction cooktops work?
To understand the efficiency of induction cooktops, we first need to grasp how they work. Unlike conventional cooktops that transfer heat from electrical coils or burning gas to the pot, induction cooktops use a series of magnetic reactions to heat the cooking pot directly. This process results in less wasted heat and faster cooking times compared to traditional electric and gas stoves.
Energy efficiency of induction cooktops versus electric and gas stoves.
When comparing induction cooktops to electric and gas stoves, there are several key factors to consider. Induction cooktops are about 84% energy efficient, while electric stoves are approximately 74% energy efficient, and gas stoves are around 40% energy efficient. The main reason for this difference is the way each cooktop generates and transfers heat. Induction cooktops produce heat directly in the pot, reducing the amount of heat lost to the surrounding environment.
Are induction cooktops cost efficient?
Though the initial purchase and installation cost of an induction cooktop may be higher than a traditional electric or gas stove, the long-term savings can often outweigh the upfront costs. With the increased energy efficiency of induction cooktops, you will use less electricity, leading to lower utility bills over time. However, it's important to note that the actual cost savings will vary depending on a range of factors. These include your local electricity rates, the frequency and duration of your stove use, and the energy efficiency of your specific stove model. To get a precise idea of potential savings, it would be advisable to calculate these factors. So, are induction cooktops more cost-efficient in terms of electricity consumption? The answer is, generally, yes. They are more energy efficient than their gas and electric counterparts, leading to potential cost savings over time. However, each household situation will vary, so it's worth calculating potential savings based on your individual circumstances. In the end, an induction cooktop could be a valuable investment for both your wallet and the environment. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in making an informed decision about your cooking method.